Hi guys, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you something that was really life changer as a mom. So I was so tired of bringing like the diaper bag in my bag. It's getting heavy. So I found these stroller hooks that they are the most amazing quality and so easy to install. So they are from the brand SUNVENO. Super high quality. I love this brand, and this is how the hooks look. Okay, so they can fit basically any stroller because the way that it works is just attach it, with the strap in your bar in the stroller, and then it will be right there, and then you can hang your diaper bag or any stroller organizer, whatever you need, even like supermarket bags. You can hang it here. You don't have to worry about carrying anything. And this becomes super handy because it comes in a pack of 2, but also you can use just one if it's convenient for you. So they are really high quality. I'm gonna show you how they look in my stroller. So I'm at the park. I don't want to carry my diaper bag, so I'm installing them. It's so easy. So once they are ready and secure, I can hang my diaper bag so easily and start carrying my stroller around. So highly recommend this product.